sorry that
Anybody
the
there?
Greg Ditch interview didn't work out. And I know you got a mouthful of food over there. I don't know why, but whatever. Is the fact that we need to do your car review.
He waited till you took the bite to say that.
No, I didn't. But,
I would have.
we know that. So let's do this hour's car review. And Mr. Mars had a Lexus to drive.
Yes, sir.
Hell, take a swallow of water.
Got to wash that burrito out.
Yeah, it's a taco, but it's all right. Well, whatever you want to call it.
It's been one of those mornings. You wake up in the morning and everything's going
Pull
good.
that microphone a little
Then
closer, please.
Suddenly, it all goes the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Unlike this 2023 Lexus NX 350H. It's a hybrid. And I was kind of surprised to find it was a hybrid when it got here. This is a small luxury SUV from Lexus, of course, so it means it's got lots of Lexus things in it. It was completely redesigned in 2022. So 23, they didn't really make a lot of changes to it coming out into it this year. So on the exterior, you're going to find LED lighting, rain sensing wipers. Of course, it had the roof rails and a moon roof up there. Power lift gate with the hands-free function, so you could kind of swipe your foot under it to get it to open up. We were also rolling on the optional 20-inch wheels. Standard wheel is an 18-inch, so it's a really nice-looking package. The interior had leather seating. Front seats were heated and ventilated and had some nice real wood trim in it. And had the 14-inch touchscreen, so it had a really big touchscreen in it.
That's huge.
And then the 9-inch standard display over there for the driver, where we used to call it a digital
Dash.
a dash, but I'm not sure what the proper drive. I guess
Instrument cluster.
instrument cluster, but they're not instruments anymore. It's a display. But anyway, but it also had a really nice heads-up display on it. Had some color in it, and it worked really well even in the daytime. I really liked the way it worked. Now, it has a 2.5 liter gasoline motor under the hood with a hybrid, and it's got actually dual electric motors to it, and together they put out 240 horsepower. Now, it's backed by a CVT. Most of the hybrids seem to be that way.
Yep, I think all hybrids are CVT.
And EPA says you should be looking for 41 miles per gallon in the city and 37 out on the highway, combined
Dang.
39.
That's good.
Now, I ran it 286 miles. Yeah, I got 37 out of it. I will say I was pretty impressed with that. A lot of it was driving time and stuff.
Very good.
It's all-wheel drive. That's standard on this particular trim level. The premium, it's an all-wheel drive, and it's really the only, and the hybrid, that's the only package you can get. It's the hybrid, and then you can buy the premium package to go into the hybrid to get some of these other features, but there is nothing else.
Yeah, but 37 miles to a gallon with an all-wheel drive, that's impressive.
And it ran really good, too. So the base price on this, you can get one of these for $38,000. Now the model, the premium all-wheel drive that we were in, starts at $45,000, and we had a couple of little options that bumped it up to $49,070 for the MSRP. And I really like the way that thing functioned. That the all-wheel drive, for a long time, to me, the all-wheel drives felt funny because you knew you were in an all-wheel drive car because sometimes the front would be functioning better than the back. Anyway, it just felt funny to me. This, you don't even notice it, that it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. It's there, and it functions like it's supposed to.
Well, and one of the things over time, Toyota has really proven their, what Toyota calls Synergy Drive, which I imagine is similar to what is in the Lexus product. They, by far, have the best hybrid system in the industry and have for some time.
Reliable.
Yeah.
Yeah, very reliable.
Yeah, very reliable, very, very proven, very smooth in operation.
It is. I mean, so the Lexus has got a premium touch to it, and this is a premium luxury CUV, SUV as they call it, and it shows even in the drivetrain. I mean, it works out really well.
Have you noticed that they've dropped the CUV?
Mm-hmm. A lot of them have, yeah. I mean, even in their press release and the material, they don't
really talk about crossover utility vehicles.
No.
Matter of fact,